Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Okay. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Okay. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Bottom of the deck, codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Okay. So, I'm definitely picking up on... I'm seeing this two ways. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Okay, so look. Capricorn, this could be you in a situation. Some of you guys are in a situation that you're not happy in, and it is very codependent. Whether you're codependent to someone or someone's codependent to you, and Spirit is saying you need to get out of that situation. It's time to free yourself, and a lot of you guys know that you should have been left, but there's something that keeps you with this person, whether it's like you're married, you might have kids, you're just in a relationship, assets are tied up, you're living together, whatever the situation is, Spirit is saying it's time to get out of it. You know, I feel like it's going to take some time, which is why the worth waiting for card is here, but they want you to know love is coming into your life, but first you got to get out of that situation. For others of you, I feel like this is somebody that wants to come back in to make things right with you. But patience is needed because they're in a very toxic, codependent situation that they need to get themselves out of. So, someone's controlling. I don't know if that's for you or this other person I'm picking up on. Yeah, let's dive in. Okay, Spirit, what's going on with my Capricorn? Messages for my Capricorns, please. Bottom of the deck, I have the Strength card reversed. So, somebody doesn't have the strength to approach you just yet. See what I'm saying? Yeah. They feel like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into the situation. And so, they're back and forth with the Four of Cups. This person wants to give you an offer, but they're afraid that you're going to turn them down. And that's why they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Yep, they're afraid that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you because they did leave you out in the cold, but they do want to make it right. See what I'm saying? It's like they're hoping that things can improve between the two of you because you are their wish fulfillment. See, they want to balance things out with you, okay? But right now, they know you're not happy with them, and they're not even happy on their end because, see, a decision has to be made. Clarify, Judgment, reverse. Yep. The Chariot. So, somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But I'm seeing this person is making a decision that they want to move forward with you. But in order for that to happen, they have to remove themselves from a third-party situation. And see, right now, I feel like they're working on healing. And they're trying to heal. They're trying to heal themselves first. Because remember I told you, somebody's in some type of toxic, codependent situation, and I feel like if they haven't gotten out of it, they're getting ready to do it this month. So before they can come back to approach you, they're trying to heal themselves because this other situation that they were in, they really were put through it. Remember I told you I heard controlling. So this person right now, yes, they're going to come back towards you, but right now they're trying to get themselves together. Because, see, they're trying to move forward and they don't want to look back at the past and what took place with this other situation that they were in. Some of you guys could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but the way justice came out, I feel like justice is being served. You know, now something's going to happen fast, and they're trying to figure out how you possibly feel about them. Let's see. Ooh, oh. I gotta put my deck down. Hold on. Didn't I tell y'all in the beginning? Y'all know I'm extra. Didn't I tell y'all in the beginning? I heard controlling. Let me show you what is in my hands. And in the order, they said go in the order. Okay. They're going to move fast, But they're saying they're stuck trying to make a decision. Because not only were they in this... Lord. Capricorn, you could have been dealing with another Capricorn, but I told you, there's some type of karmic soulmate situation, whether they were in it with someone else. Like I told you, whether you're in it with someone else, but the fact that the magician was right next to the devil when the cards jumped out, that's a problem. I told y'all controlling. So somebody could have definitely been doing spell work or magic. Hands down. And that's the problem. That's why Spirit is saying, whichever way this goes, if you're in the situation or if this is your person, there was magic. There was definitely some type of spell work or magic that was done. And that's why Spirit is saying they have to work really hard. See, there's the King of Pentacles. It's like, this person... That makes sense. That's why they were trying to heal themselves first before they come back towards you, if it's the other person going through it. Because right now they're trying to focus on themselves. Yes, they want to give you an offer, but they can't give you an offer until they completely heal. They completely remove themselves from the love interest, the family member, the friend, whoever this was that was doing this. Because, see, ultimately they want to have that victory with you. But they got to get this other situation together first. And see, they're going to end up making a decision to put an end to this other situation. But see, the thing is, I have 2 7. Somebody was holding on to them very tight, guys. I feel like this person that they were dealing with is very sneaky, but the person I'm picking up on, they're sneaky as well. And, you know, they could have been going back and forth between you and this other person. They could have chosen family, friends over you, whatever the situation was. And now they're frustrated because they had you waiting around. And now they're worried about what you're going to say. See? They're afraid things may not improve. This person, somebody may be worried about their money. You know, maybe they were waiting on something when it pertained to finances. You know, but I'm seeing that the truth is going to come out. Clarify the moon reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Yep. This could be them realizing the truth. Now they're doing what they have to do to clear away these obstacles in order to find balance in their life. Could be dealing with the Sagittarius. Yeah, they're coming back, guys. They want to turn things around with you. And I told you, they're going to have to tell you the truth. And they're upset. This person is upset right now. They're realizing everything that has taken place, what's been going on. And see, they're coming out of sadness, regret. And even though, yes, they want to be with you because they were being sneaky, they're like, man, I don't know if he or she will take me back. See, because I told you, they want to balance things out by giving you an offer. They're afraid that things won't improve. And that, yeah, this person is going to have to work really hard. I'm telling you, whoever I'm picking up on, they're worried about their financial stability here. Their financial security. But yes, they're going to work hard to give you an offer. But they feel like if they can't even get it together financially speaking, there's no reason to come towards you and give you an offer. And see, right now, they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. Ten of Swords tried to come out. This person, yeah, they stabbed you in the back. Let's see. Okay, yeah, because they didn't balance it. Look at that. It's a family situation. Their money is looking a little funny because of family. See what I'm saying? Look at it's money. I told y'all. Money. And they got to put it in. Come on, Spirit. 2 tens. They got to put an end to it. And they will. You know, but when it comes to you, I told y'all they stabbed you in the back and they want to make it right. See, there is this home or family situation they are not happy in, and they're going to come and tell you the truth. Somebody wants to tell you they want a new opportunity, but see, they're scared. This person is afraid. They messed up bad with you. And see, they're going to take the leap to come towards you to make it right, okay? But they're having a hard time. They're having a hard time right now. And that's why they're dragging their feet. Yep, they're still going through their karmic lessons. So right now they can't move forward just yet. And I'm seeing that, yeah, it's like they're not confident in coming towards you just yet, but you will receive an apology from this person because ultimately they want to have a family with you. They know you're their person. See, they want to give you an offer, and it's the offer that you deserve, but they feel like you're going to turn them down. You're going to cut them off. But see, this person, they want to be committed to you. They can see themselves marrying you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Tell me more. But they're having a hard time right now. See, it's family. They want this new beginning with you, but they're going to have to put an end to this other situation in order for them to give you an offer. There's a lot of regret here. See? Yeah, somebody's dealing with an Aries. They know that they didn't bring stability in the situation. See, the way the Three of Cups came out, they know that they have to get out of this third-party situation, but they're still stalling. You know, they have not made a move just yet, but look at that. They're going to free themselves. Even though they're not confident and they don't know how, this is telling me they're going to get out of it. See? It's going to happen fast. When they make this decision, oh, they're gonna be gone. But see, they're back and forth with the Nine of Wands. So remember I just said, like, they're going to get out of it, but they got to make that decision. They're back and forth, like, okay, how do I do it? What can I do? When it comes to you, they know what they want, but they got to come to you correct. See? Communication. They have to come to you correct. Okay, what was that? It just flipped. Queen of Wands. Why is the Queen of Wands here? Hold on. Clarify. Okay. They look at you like you're a blessing to them. And the seeds they planted with you, they want them to grow. I'm saying they want to have a new beginning with you, but sometimes it bothers them that they may not be able to have this new beginning. See? Because, yeah, this person was being a player, or they were running in and out of your life in the past, and they don't want to do that with you anymore, but this was their lesson. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Because they're doing a lot of thinking right now. But Spirit is saying they're not listening to their intuition, because they know that you're upset with them. But I'm saying that they're wanting to have a peace of mind with you, but they don't. You know, and they know they have to free themselves from a situation. So it could be them dealing with like some type of mother figure. Some type of energy here that they got to get away from. And they're going to get out of their head. See, they're going to walk away. They're walking away from someone. But they're afraid that you're going to walk away from them. But ultimately, I told you, new beginning. They want a new beginning with you. But because they didn't balance things out, they don't know how to have this new beginning with you. They don't know what to say. You know, I just feel like they just need to start somewhere. They need to reach out and say something. So, let's get some advice. Let's see, Capricorn. Bottom of the deck, I have the Six of Wands reversed. So you guys are to the point where you're like, you know what? I don't see myself having a victory with this person, because they were rushing in and out of my life. This person was being a player. They had other options. They were juggling with me and someone else. I don't have time for this anymore. See, you thought this person's sneaky. They were quiet. It's like they don't communicate. They don't open up, but yet there's an offer coming in for you. Okay. So, I'm seeing that you're going to end up making a decision. Hold on, let me slide these over. You're going to end up making a decision about this offer. Let's see. Oh, there's another man. You might cut him off, though. You might cut this person off. Wow. Yeah. Because they put you in a third-party situation. They broke your heart. You're like, nope, I'm good. You're no longer putting in the work. Okay. Because you feel like they're immature and childish. Now you're isolating yourself. I feel like they isolated themselves away from you for a long time. Now you're like, you know what? No, you took too long. I'm good. See? And this is you having the strength to stand up for yourself. But Spirit is saying you're not listening to your intuition. I have 11-11 here. So your angels are definitely around you. But for some of you guys, this could be a soulmate or a twin. The thing is, this person didn't do right by you. Of course, they didn't balance things out. And Spirit is saying they want you to come out of being frustrated about what happened. Because, see, there's a tower here. I feel like this is you realizing. This is your epiphany. So you're realizing something. Let's see. But the thing is, you're stuck on the... I feel like this is you realizing what you're supposed to have in life, or what you're supposed to or what you're supposed to have with this person, but you can't let go of what they did to you in the past. You're still stuck on, you know, how many times they stabbed you in the back, and see, you're like, you know what, I don't want to build with you. So, ooh, okay. So, I'm seeing that you're going to tell them the truth. That's the lesson. Okay. Spirit is saying when they come back, if they haven't, I don't feel like they came back yet for a lot of you. So whenever they do reach out, they need you to be very honest with this person. And if you don't want a new beginning with them, you don't want a new beginning with them, you don't want a new